Dr. Reddington here with Nature's Gold. Think of me as your body's backstage pass to peak performance. I sniff out the good stuff, so you don't have to. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse tick and why it matters. Modern life keeps us indoors, leaving 40% of us deficient in the sunshine vitamin. When your levels drop, your energy and immunity follow. This is our vitamin D3 serum with a high-potency protocol designed for maximum biological impact. Our star ingredient is vitamin D3 at a clinical strength of 5,000 IU. This isn't just a maintenance dose. It's designed to aggressively support your immune cells and optimize calcium absorption. It's the essential foundation for rock-solid bone density, peak muscle function, and a resilient immune system that stays ready for anything. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, meaning it's useless if your body can't absorb it. That's why we've suspended our D3 in extra virgin olive oil. This heart-healthy carrier ensures superior uptake into your system while staying gentle on your stomach. We've added natural vitamin E to the mix, a powerful antioxidant that protects the formula's potency and shields your cells from oxidative stress. The result? Better mood, sharpened mental well-being, and an end to that persistent low fatigue. You aren't just taking a vitamin, you're reclaiming your vitality and giving your body the structural support it deserves. No fluff, no fillers, just top shelf. Backed by science, brewed by nature, and bottled just for you using the most potent nutrients from premium ingredients. Packed with the purest quality. Take control of your vitality and power up with Nature's Gold, the new standard in health.